Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Venmo to Shopify. First, understand that a direct integration between Venmo and Shopify is not available. However, you can still accept Venmo payments on your Shopify store by leveraging PayPal Express Checkout. This process involves setting up PayPal as your payment gateway, which then allows customers to use Venmo through their PayPal accounts. It's a simple workaround to expand your payment options. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Settings located in the bottom left corner and then click on Payments. In the PayPal section, choose PayPal Express Checkout from the drop-down menu. Click Activate and you will be redirected to PayPal to log in and authorize the connection. Ensure you use your PayPal business account credentials to complete this step. Once PayPal Express Checkout is active on Shopify, you need to ensure Venmo is enabled within your PayPal business account. Log into PayPal, go to your account settings, and look for payment options or pre-approved payments to confirm Venmo is active. For United States customers using mobile devices, Venmo will then automatically appear as an accelerated checkout option when they choose to pay with PayPal. When customers reach your Shopify checkout, they will select PayPal as their payment method. They can then choose to pay using their Venmo account, which is processed securely through PayPal. This provides a familiar and convenient option for many shoppers, especially those on mobile. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This indirect method ensures you can cater to a wider audience without a direct Venmo integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.